Alright guys, so the time is finally here. As you can see, there's the old cat and the old downpipe for the truck. And we went with the full 5-inch straight all the way from the turbo back on the truck. The AC's on the truck, but this thing sounds freaking good. Alright, so I'm gonna give you some in the cab action of this full straight pipe exhaust. I turned off the AC so you could hear it better. It's like 100 and something degrees, or at least feels like it. So this thing is really loud. It was louder before when I first just had the downpipe and just had it in the middle, but the truck was just droning so bad I had to get rid of it and just put the rest of the pipes on there. But now it sounds like just the right amount of loudness. Compared to my 12 valve, I think this one's louder, just because the 12 valve had a 4-inch straight pipe. Yep, so this thing's freaking loud. You can see it's smoking. Those little styrofoam things in there, like little styrofoam balls I couldn't get out. So, these little things, yeah. But this thing's freaking loud now. More drivable. At least for me, it's gonna breathe better. And then now we can start getting more modifications for under the hood to make this thing actually go fast, because right now it struggles just a little bit just with that big fuel tank in the back, but she's gonna be looking good, at least under the hood for a while. But yeah, if you guys like this video, just comment what you guys want to see on it, more future videos. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.